Hi everyone, this is Sherry. I am the owner of Sesame Wild and we are a peony farm located in Northern Ontario, Zone 4B. This is our first video and I didn't really know what to post. I've been sitting on it for a while. But I was doing something today and I thought maybe you would be interested. It'll be a quick short video and it's about slugs. And so behind me you can see I have 3 raised beds and we will be growing tulips this fall. We'll be planting over 2,000 tulips. And you know, slugs don't really bother tulips, but the point being, after the tulips are done, we were considering maybe growing a few vegetables and some flowers in there. So we live in the woods and the slugs just love to eat all of our plants. So I thought I would get this copper tape. I've never tried this before, so it's a learning experience for everybody. And I was going to put it along the, let's see if you could see this here, the edge here of the flower bed, and I'm hoping that that will deter the slugs from wanting to go in. Now I've heard of other things where you put beer in a little lid, and I might try that as well, but for now, you know what, I bought it, no harm no foul. You'll also notice here we have this mesh and we have a vole problem as well. And as much as our barn cat likes to help us, they still, last year's tulips they got into and destroyed most of our crop. So I'm going to try this mesh to see if it keeps them out of the beds. And then on top of the beds, we'll be putting a mesh layer as well, because the snow gets pretty high where we live. And then come spring, when the snow starts to melt, I'll remove that layer and hopefully our barn cat will be on the prowl. So anyways, here we go. That I am cutting these with tin snips and not like the cutters that you would use. Because I don't want you to damage like your flower snips or floral snips. I am doing it in smaller pieces just because I don't know what I'm doing. It's very, you can see it's very fine, very thin, almost like gold leaf, but not quite. And you can see it rips pretty easily too. Not terrible. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. I should note that this this tape is meant and purchased for slugs, so just so you know. I'll just speed this up for you guys. So I got one done. Not perfect, but we'll see how this fares. I don't know either if this will go and survive our really, really horrible winters, but it's a good start. So yeah, I'll continue wrapping up the other two, and then you can check back after to see if this worked. I have no idea. I would love your comments and suggestions if you want to comment below if you've ever experienced using this tape, if it works for you. And then also too, we are trying to hit a goal of 100 subscribers. I know that's small potatoes, but if you could like and subscribe, that will help push my video forward to other flower farmers out there in the world. So thank you so much for following along and getting this far in the video. And yeah, thanks again guys. Have a great day and happy planting. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. If you want to find out more about us, you can tap on our bio where there will be links to our social media pages. You can find us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we very much appreciate the time you've taken to watch this video today. Have a great day, everybody. Bye now.